Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to test fuel injectors. First, ensure your engine is cool and disconnect the battery for safety. You'll need a few basic tools, including a multimeter and a fuel pressure gauge. We'll cover both electrical checks and pressure tests to accurately diagnose any issues. This step-by-step guide will help you pinpoint problems efficiently. For electrical checks, start by disconnecting the injector's electrical connector. Set your multimeter to measure ohms and touch the probes to the injector's terminals. A healthy injector typically shows a resistance between 12 and 16 ohms. If your reading is outside this range, the injector is likely faulty. Also, check for proper voltage at the connector with the ignition on. Next, we'll perform a fuel pressure leak-down test. Connect a fuel pressure gauge to the fuel rail and observe the pressure drop over time. A rapid drop suggests a leaking injector. Then, with the injector removed, you can visually inspect its spray pattern. A good injector produces a fine, conical mist, while a faulty one might drip or spray unevenly, indicating a clog or internal issue. If your tests confirm a faulty injector, you have a couple of options. For minor clogs, professional ultrasonic cleaning can often restore performance. However, if an injector shows significant electrical or mechanical failure, replacement is usually the best solution for optimal engine function. Remember to check the description for links to tools and other helpful deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite. Keeping your fuel system in top shape is crucial for vehicle longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.